Hi everyone, just want to quickly demonstrate how to install additional packages into an existing Anaconda environment. So the first thing I'm going to do is head down to my start menu and open up an Anaconda prompt. So I've just started typing in Anaconda, got Anaconda prompt here, I'm going to open that up. And it doesn't matter what whereabouts in your file system it opens you up in, that's fine. What we're interested in is what comes before this file path, and here it's got brackets base. So that is telling me that it's currently got the base environment activated. If I were to install any packages from this prompt right now using pip install, it would go into my Anaconda base environment. So the first thing I need to do is activate the environment I want to install this package in. In this case, that's the NLP underscore basics environment. So I'm going to do conda, C-O-N-D-A, activate NLP underscore basics, name of the environment. And you can see now that before this file path, I now have brackets NLP basics. That is the active environment right now. So if I do pip install requests, now requests is a library that we need for one of the questions, the NLP question in the HMA assessment. Doesn't matter which version we install, anything will be fine. So we just tell it to pip install requests. If I press enter now, it's going to go away and look for the request package. It's going to look for all the dependencies. And at the end, what you're interested in is whether it says successfully installed. Now, it lists a couple of the additional packages that are the dependencies for request, but most importantly for us, it lists requests itself. Requests, in this case, it's chosen version 2.3, 2.3, because that's most likely the most up-to-date version. And that's all we need to do. If we need to go on now and install something into a different environment, I can do conda activate, and let's say I want to install something into the ABS environment this time. I'm going to do conda activate ABS, and I don't have an ABS environment, so let's do a different one. Conda activate des. There you go. So you can see now I've got brackets des before my list, and anything I now do pip install in here will go into my des environment instead. And that's all. Once you're finished, you can just close down your Anaconda prompt. You may want to close down and reopen any VS Code window you currently have using that environment. Otherwise, it may not propagate through, or at least reset the kernel that you are using if it's in, say, a Jupyter notebook. But closing down and reopening VS Code will make sure that anything is kind of flushed through. And that's it. That's all you need to do.